Here's my new 360 litre Prorack Roofbox to go on the new S-Wing roof bars we just put on. Comes with a box, comes with 2 fitting kits, comes with some straps, comes with some instructions. So we've got an S-Wing, so we need this, hang on, SP167 fitting kit. We'll go and figure out what we're doing and stick it on there. Right, so I'll put these bars on, there's 3 positions, I'll put them on the middle position for the front and rear. And we're a wee bit tight on the box, so I just need to move, we're going to move the rear one forward one, so we're kind of more central on these fitting areas. Yeah, because we're just right on the edge of where this needs to go and you can't quite get the clamps on. If you see, we clamp around 2 holes here, and if we're too far back we're not going to get the, not be able to loop through, so we'll just move this one forward. Right, that looks a wee bit better with a bit more room either end. I'll stick the brackets on. Bit of a faff that was. Right. Right, so we got those 4 in. It all feels pretty solid. It's not going anywhere. We're just going to put the there's some cam buckle straps that you can use to secure luggage, so we'll pop those on and see what it looks like. Beautiful. There we go, new roof box, Prorack 360 litre. What's it? I paid for this one, wasn't a sponsored deal, so it was on clearance. So they've just rebranded the Prorack stuff, so all the logos are changed, which means you get some clearance deals like this. Quality, really happy with that, looks really nice. Put it to good use and see how we go. So there we go, comment, like, subscribe, we'll see you for the next one. Cheers.